I wonder if I should get some chicken.
No.
Okay.
We're gonna sit. If only we were allowed to drive these like for real.
It doesn't work.
Wieners! Oh crap.
Holy shit.
Choo choo! Just kidding. It's all
Crazy fruits.
anime?
Are you ready?
Now the journey begins for real.
We have found shelter from the storm.
We've got caught in the rain. We have to say so long.
Are you ready?
For what? Oh yeah, actually? Oh, never mind. There it is. It's right there. In our grasp. They just took us to this place. What is it?
The Pelican Neck Sandwich Company. It says right there.
This is heads.
Pelican, Eagle,
It's upside down.
Hopper,
Oh my god. Okay.
Seagull, Indian.
It's already recording.
It feels spicy.
Oh my god, look at that sticky. And you ripped it in half. Whoa. It looks like a rejected. Some. I probably shouldn't say that. How mean I can sound.
The rudeness is rude.
I want to eat too. That's why I gave it to you. Holy crap. It looks like a pancake.
Mmm. Oh boy.
I hate it when it
Heart
happens.
just stopped.
I hate it when that happens.
And then.
I finally finished my sandwich.
Finally finished the second sandwich.
Giant tiger!
Buddy.
Yeah, what else did they got here?
They have the fuck
Okay.
the Maryland
I hear someone squeaking. I hear someone squeaking. A squeaky toy left here. Oh, they have Silica merchandise. Oh my god. Wow.
Pretty skinny though.
I don't know, they're kind of small. What do you guys say?
Are you ready, punks?
This thing is in the way.
Yeah!
Sheila, it's our boarding parent.
That's some chicken.
Holy crap, a dead mouse. There's some mouses, man. It reminds me of that frog we killed last night.
Oh, it's so cute.
He's going in. He's going.
I can't lift my legs high enough.
What about if you try fitting in here?
Wait, just push my legs. Everyone's look at it.
Let's turn. No, never mind. You only
Like
give
there
me.
would only be like one layers of like walls, you know. But
If there's two of these together,
yeah, that would be perfect actually.
we can't do the
You
toilet.
need 2 layers of walls, so if somebody takes one out, like, if there's only 1 layer, they'll just have your face right there. Like, oh, hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Fishing machines in war torn Burma. No, I think this is the third one.
Check this out. It's 3D.
What the hell?
Whoa.
Kids will be on it. It's just standing on it.
Whoa. This is a giant chili. It's on a deal too.
And then they'll just like color on it and draw on it. Put holes in it.
Curtis is still buying that stuff.
Is it?
It is the end. Oh shit. Airstrikes.
Don't fucking ask me to do that fucking shit again. That was fucking embarrassing. Being Lily.
That was embarrassing.
Probably looked like I was getting more sugar from my damn apple cider.
It's not sweet enough, he says.
Look who decided to drop in.
It's me.
It's this guy.
It's me.
Chris has my headphones. This guy's too busy.
Oh, yeah.
The next project.
So when I was walking here, there was like this drunk guy, and he was like asking for a cigarette, right? And of course I don't smoke, so he was just talking to me. He was like doing this weird handshake thing. He was like this. I thought he wanted to like, I don't know, like he wanted to do this handshake thing, right? And yeah, he was doing that for like a good minute or so.
And then what?
Talking about his problems or whatever.
All of a sudden you become.
Was the guy with the nose?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Paul.
That's Paul.
Yeah, we are aware.
Yeah, I know. So he said, "Do you got any cash?" So I was like, "I don't know." So I knew I had like cash on me, like, but like a bunch of change. So I reached into my pocket and
To what?
Remember Paul? He met Paul.
yeah.
Oh, you met Paul.
He just
I
met
thought
Paul.
I only had a little bit of change on me, so
Did you,
like in the dark I was like grabbing change, but it turns out it was like a bunch of dollars and stuff. So I reached into my pocket and like a bunch of stuff, like.
So he gave it all to you.
Yeah, I gave it all. I didn't want to feel like a douchebag, man. Okay, here's 2. You know?
You just realized I recorded the whole thing.
Yeah.
sometimes you gotta say no.
Yes.